to be in this camera, look at me and lie to me straight in the face, okay?
Okay.
Now Molly here came and told me last evening, she caught me off guard actually, and told me, Mommy, I want a baby brother. Come here. She came and told me she wants a baby brother. I was shocked. Actually, I was speaking on the phone and she came with that news. But I had Ali and Kinza behind the door laughing. I knew they were the ones who sent her to come and tell me. So now I have the honor to tell you, ma'am, that I will not give you a baby brother.
Hey, madam! Stop!
I don't give you a baby brother.
Hey, madam, stop!
What is that?
I said, hey, madam, stop!
Hey, you want a baby brother? Why do you want a baby brother? You want somebody to play with?
No, I just said, hey, madam, stop!
So do you want a baby sister?
Yes.
You want a baby sister?
No.
You want a baby brother?
Yeah.
You're particular?
Yes.
You want a baby brother?
Yes.
Chiwede. When do you want the baby brother?
The baby brother said
When do you want the baby brother?
it's shop
When do you want the baby brother?
because it's put it here on her hand.
Okay, here. Now that you don't, now that you're not making a lot of sense, you haven't given me a strong reason why. Here is your bottle. Here is your bottle. Do you have a bottle?
Yes.
You have a bottle. Not this one. Do you have another one?
No.
Okay, you have this one.
I just need to tell
What do you
her.
say when they give you something?
Thank you, Mommy.
Like that? You sit
Yes.
up and show appreciation. So sit up and say thank you.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. You also got a
Mommy.
t-shirt.
Mommy, I have to go and tell Ali and Kim
But you have a bottle.
Mommy give me a butcher.
Yes, I also give you a t-shirt.
What
It's the annual Muslim run.
is happening?
Okay, listen to me. Remember that event that you dodged the other year? Mama, put the bottle down and listen to me.
What?
There is a bottle for Aliyah, there is another one for Kinza, also for me, and a vest for everybody. So we are going to run.
And there is a vest for Daddy.
Yes, there is here. We are running for Shukran Baby's Home. Do you know what a baby's home is?
Yes.
Do you know a baby's home, Mama?
Yes.
What's a baby's home?
The babies. I have to call Ali and Kinza.
And you tell them about your bottle. Come, I want you to look me straight in my eye and tell me what a baby home is.
Okay, calm down.
Okay, I'm down. Do you know what a baby's home is?
I think my arm is paining.
You have started your rubbish.
No,
Mm.
I'm just right.
Okay, come, I tell you about a baby's home. Come. Do you know that there are children who don't have a mother, they don't have a father, they don't have a guardian to take care of them?
They have.
They don't.
Yes, they are.
They don't. So those
Yes.
children are called underprivileged children. And if somebody doesn't take care of them, Mama,
Yes.
and if somebody doesn't take care of them, definitely they won't grow into responsible people of this country. Hello, ma'am. I am talking to you. Boila, I'm talking to you. You listen to me. Okay? So those children don't have anybody to take care of them.
They have.
So this time, as we run, we are going to be running for the Shukran Baby's Home, a place that we want to put up to be of great value to those children. Okay?
Okay.
Are you listening?
Yes.
Because you're going to answer questions at the end of this session. Okay, Mama?
Okay.
Should we talk Luganda?
Yes.
So ekifo kino baserekamu abaana oba bakuumiramu abaana ne babakulizaamu abaana abo nga bali mu setting ey'amaka. Okay?
Okay.
So those children bwe bakulira mu setting ey'amaka bafuna opportunities okubeera nga basobola okusoma ne bafuna best knowledge and best skills in life. Hello ma'am, listen to me. So ne bakula nga babatendesa ebintu ebirungi nga empisa n'okukola emirimu nga tebalinga kannamuli akatagala kukola mirimu. Do you want to do mirimu?
Yes.
Okay. I remember you washed clothes the other day. You cooked for me noodles. Okay? Okay, so abaana abo, last year when you didn't run, remember, we collected money and bought the land for the Shukran baby's home. Can you please go away? Because I'm not even your friend after all. Am I your friend?
Yes.
No, Mama, I can't be your friend. No, you're not my friend. Yeah, no, you're not my friend.
I'm your friend.
Okay, now listen to me if you're my friend.
Yeah.
So last year twagula ettaka and we broke the ground. This year when we gather and run, we are going to start the construction of the Shukran baby's home. How do you come in? When you buy that kit, Mama, can you get out of the camera? Because right now, Tongasa, okay?
Yeah.
Please, go take your kit. Here, take your t-shirt and your bottle. Okay, but I'll see you on the 10th of September. 10th of September at the museum. Okay, very early in the morning.
But Mommy, that door is locked.
You go and open it.
But it's
You go and open it. You've decided to leave. So 10th of September, we can access our kits. You can go find them at Gaddafi Mosque. Gaddafi Mosque, that's Old
I
Kampala.
cannot open it. It's locked.
Okay, let me first finish, then I open for you, okay? Gaddafi Mosque, Chiboli Mosque, Nakasero Mosque, then Wandegea Mosque. Okay, you can get your kit. We're going to be at the Uganda Museum on the 10th of September. Wali Ekamoja, come let's run. For fun, yes, for good health, but also for Shukran baby's home. It is going to be the first Muslim founded home in Uganda. Let's come. Everybody is invited. Everybody can be a part of this noble cause. See you on the 10th. God bless you. Bye.